on, let's continue with our lesson on integration by parts. Our general form again, integral of uv dx is equal to u integral of v dx minus integral of u prime times integral of v dx. Let's do an example. Let's integrate ln x dx. First, we let u is equal to ln x and v is equal to 1. Then we differentiate u, which means we differentiate ln x, and that gives us 1 over x. Next, we integrate v, so we integrate 1, and that gives us x. Now, let's combine this. So we have integral of ln x times 1 dx is equal to ln x times x minus integral of 1 over x dx times x dx. So this gives us x ln x minus integral of 1 dx. And finally, our solution is x ln x minus x plus c. Thank you.